And lastly, our favorite stock, which I do want to go over, is AMC. So right now, AMC has fallen down in terms of mentions on Wall Street Bets. It's fallen down in terms of total searches on Google Trends. If you're looking on Wall Street Bets, it's now ranked number 6. When it used to be number 1 in turn on Google Trends. We're seeing a decline in how much people are talking about it, how much people are searching for it. But good news is, for people who are saying, can the short squeeze still happen? In my opinion, I think it definitely can still happen, because right now the short volume ratio for AMC is at 21%, which is extremely high. We have seen it fluctuate between 18, 22% over the last couple days, and it has not really changed from that. It has stayed in that range, which means short sellers are not backing down. They're continue to bet against AMC, and they're continuing to say, look, we think this stock is going to fail, and we're going to bet against it, even if retail investors are strong and continuing to pour money into it. So for the day, we did see AMC stock down significantly. It has, ever since it reached an all-time high of about $72 per share last week. We've seen it drop, we've seen it consolidate. But the thing to keep in mind with AMC is that, same with GameStop, same with AMC, every single time we see a rally, back in January, it went from $2 all the way up to $20. And we see it consolidate, we see it find a new support level. And that's what we're seeing again. In January, it went up to 20, dropped back down to 5. Didn't reach that $2 again, but it found a new low. Then again, in about March, we went from 5 all the way up to 15. And then we found a new low again of about $9 or $10. So every time we've seen an exponential growth, a massive rally, where there's more people that are joining the community, more people who are deciding, I want to own this, whether I make money, whether I don't, I want to be part of this movement about getting back in institutions. And that's what we're really seeing again. We saw another massive rally, and now we're seeing it consolidate again. It hasn't dropped below that first day when it went up to $72. It traded as low as 35 during that same day. We haven't seen it touch 35, but it has come back down a little bit from where it was. Either way though, still a lot of potential for this to have a short squeeze. The short interest is very high, community is very strong, and people are still talking about this stock a lot.